The Users tab in the Setup section is where we will manage our users, that is, the people who can use the system. Users can have different levels of access to the POS and administration website, ranging from basic access for daily tasks to full control of the business. We have a handy table with all the user levels and their access in the Help article below. To add a new user to the system, we will need a few bits of information such as name of the user, contact email, username for the system, password, the role or access level, and lastly, which restaurant or business they should have access to, in case there's more than one location managed by the same company. The phone number is not necessary to create a new user, but it is an easy way to keep important information in an easy-to-find place. From the main screen, we can also edit existing users by clicking the Edit button. We can change the basic information for the user, but not the contact email or password, as these are required for signing into the system and have to be protected for security reasons. If you want to change your own password, you will have to do so using the profile page from the drop-down menu at the top right of the screen. Lastly, you can export the list of users and their information by clicking on the Export button, which will give you a .csv file with the relevant information.